Sunday, August 11, 2024. 19th Sunday in Ordinary Time, a day of prison ministry. Focus. Truly, truly, I say to you, whoever believes has an eternal life. The words of Gospel, I am the bread that came down from heaven, reminds me of an art installation near the Church of Beauties in Galilee, featuring 4 loaves and 2 fish. It struck me that I, the weaver, was meant to be the 5th loaf, an active participant in a miracle of multiplication. When we think of prison, we associate it with some form of restraint, even perhaps schools or our house. But the message of Jesus is clear. Belief in Him frees us from every prison. This is also heralded in Luke 4, verse 18 to 19, and Isaiah 61:1. Our belief in the life and mission of Christ offers us not just freedom but eternal life. Prison Ministry Sunday emphasizes the transformation available to us. Just as belief brought liberation to biblical figures and prophets, the promise is extended to the incarcerated today, whether shackled by the steel chains or spiritual turmoil. The call to freedom resounds with equal vigor. This is not esoteric assertion, but an invitation to receive divine liberation. It encourages us to align ourselves with Jesus, the living bread, to break free from our prison of doubt and fear, and to claim the eternal life He promises us through friendship with Him. Fruit. May we believe in Jesus so that we can live liberated by His friendship and participate in the ongoing miracle of His divine provision.